when I received the parcel, I got really excited. So I have to film it right away. Tada! My coloring book family is growing. Let's proceed. Nagda-dry na yung iba, so I need to have new ones. Don't mind my nails, please, but this is where you will swatch your markers. And then, ito, yung ilalagay mo sa likod ng pages ng coloring book mo bago ka magkulay para hindi siya mag-bleed through sa next page. And here, I don't know what are this, but yeah, I'm gonna figure out later. Susunduin ko muna si husband. Isa din sa reason kung bakit I decided to have this 100 pieces markers is because nakuha ko na rin kasi yung copy ng second coloring book ko. Let's open this. Sabay-sabay natin siyang makita. I'm happy. Walk like this. Makes me happy. Ay, baliktad. Susunduin ko pa yung asawa ko. Wait. Look at that. Very quick lang to. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung... So, the reason as to why I decided na maging vacation therapy coloring book yung second coloring book ko is because nakatulong din talaga sa akin yung mga motivational quotes, phrases, ganyan. And aside from that, vacation or traveling, road trips, whatever it is na makakalabas ako and makakita ako ng nature, it's really therapeutic for me. So, I decided to combine them naman. Kaya meron tayong quotes. I made sure na bawat pages ay may motivational quotes or encouraging quotes. And along with that, yung mga graphics na related sa vacation. This is the first page. This is my second coloring book. And I really wish na makapag-publish din ako sa Philippines ng coloring book so that adults like me can also enjoy coloring. Kasi diba, nauso na before yung coloring books like mandala, pero sobrang complicated kasi for me. Nahihirapan akong tapusin yung mandala kasi ang daming details, sobrang detailed niya. That's why I just published my own. Because I made sure na very basic lang at madali lang talaga siyang kalayan. So, yeah. Susunduin ka ng aking husband. It's already, I'm not sure, but I just decided na ipakita sa inyo yung newest babies ko kapag available na siya dyan sa Pinas. I hope you're gonna enjoy them as much as I do. As much as I enjoyed working towards this. Yan. Nakalay-kalayan ko na siya ng medyo madami. And this one is the newest one, the second one. Sana marami pa tayong magawang coloring books together. Bye!